Watching the Jeep. He's stuck. Oh, you made it. You made it. Still moving. Going up the big ledge. Oh, no!
That was the big splash.
Made a big splash.
Let me put it back up.
Oh, you're getting all wet. Mama's not going to be too happy. Can you make it up the hill?
Yes.
You can make it this time. You can make it. I crashed again.
Look, first, the one on TV.
Oh, you're in the water, buddy. Oh, man.
We went on one wheel, flat, all wheels. I think I can make it this time.
Yeah, you'll make it this time. I know it.
I think I'm gonna put it in UGP.
You gonna put it in 4-wheel drive? I'm watching the movie.
No.
You watching the movie? We'll watch it after you're done. See if you can make it up the hill, buddy.
I think I can make it up the hill.
Okay. You made it! Yeah! Oh, a lot of water. Oh, it flipped over. Oh, no.
Ready? I made it up. Wow. I think we can make this one.
Made it. No problem.
Then I did a back up.
That's a good movie, bud. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Grandma.
Here comes a car.